破再講啊！
每日海參啊，哦，日海參最近到啦，銷售上去啦。每日銷就銷啦，2、3就沒有啦。
Yeah, everyday happy. So much for joining me. It's Sunday and it's a beautiful day, so I hope everyone's doing well. 今日喺科希阿婆婆同埋阿公公嘅屋企，我哋三家人一齊食飯。So that was me actually talking Hakka, which I'm going to be doing a bit of today. So the last time I went to Grandma's house, it was a few months ago for Chinese New Year. I did a vlog about that and you guys seem to love that. So I thought I'd do another video and go to Grandma's house and have loads of Chinese Hakka food, which I'm sure there's going to be a lot of today. So Hakka is actually my first language, which I'm really proud of. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So this is my gong gong. Gong gong. And our papa. That's my grandma. Hi. Mom. Dad.
It's me again.
Oh, wow.
Dad's the chef in the house. Look, all the Hakka food already. Dad, how's the cooking?
Fantastic, eh?
係咪煮到菜啊？
Yes.
有啲Hakka菜，
菜咯，又係 same thing。
and 你染啲筍，菜乾筍，係咯。
菜乾放咗後度啦，要鳳條、麵條、芋條、T條，同埋便條，同埋菜乾，就無花果、鳳爪、粽，同埋豬肉、菜乾、卷筍，全部去包硬到咯。
硬袋啲材料嘅。
係啦，好多材料包。
係啊。And this is my Uncle Vincent, Auntie Karen, Auntie Anne, and Auntie Lynn. 嗱，就係嗱婆婆。
係啦，就係Kirsty嘅嗱，太順利。
And 嗱就係嗱1842嘅屋企同阿婆婆一齊。
阿Kirsty整日到40歲啦，高人熱啊。
係啊 ，so I lived here till I was 11 years old, 11歲 ，and Papa brought me up. That's when I had to go Hakka because of Papa. Hakka 人咯。
阿簡人啊。
係啊。The honey roast pork. So let's see Dad in the kitchen.
Yes.
Wow, Dad, you do 咗乜嘅菜啊？
嗰啲苦瓜炒豬肉。客家人最中意食噶啦。
Yeah，呢個客家人係最中意食呢道菜嘅。
苦瓜炒豬肉。苦瓜炒豬肉係最中意食噶啦。
That's like the best chef.
Not really. Not that bad.
So modest. Really nice cooking. That looks good.
Okay.
That looks really nice.
That's these sausage.
Oh yeah.
Trying to dry press sausage.
Is that 臘腸?
Oh yeah, you can buy it in the supermarket.
That looks like 臘腸.
臘腸
Yeah. 咁有飯，看下新鮮爆來嘅飯。Wow, look how much food is behind me.
仲有後到餸，仲有後到。
Yeah, Papa says 仲要後到餸。
係咩味道？
Yeah，那啲掟全部都菜出嚟，先至介紹喺度計菜。仲要兩碟菜，so we still got 2 more dishes to come.
嗱就應該介紹下嗱就附近好食嘅。係啊。
Let me turn the screen around.
你後熱啊，睇下嚇，後時後熱啊，幾日啊？放上2碟燒雞，做2碟腐雞。2碟腐雞，一碟喺度切排骨，一碟喺度臘腸，同埋一碟係有油鹽雞，同埋一個廣油切雞，一碟雜菜喺度小蘭飯，仲係兩個喺度客家麵轉咗啦，仲跳夫咗啦，喺度泡腳下，
蜜汁叉燒。
哇！
Dad just brought it out. Wow. Look at that. Yes, I don't know how you tap. So 12 dishes of Hakka Thai.
Thai 八张也是，
Wow.
没有8张也是生鱼片还是领导塞啦？
慢慢食啊，
慢慢食啊，
睇時間慢慢食，
慢慢食啊，
慢慢食。
吃饱啲啦。
Let's see. Thanks for cooking, Dad.
That's okay. Yes, thank you.
Which one's your favourite dish?
Today.
Yeah.
Roast pork.
Oh, 叉燒。
Yeah.
叉燒。Papa 再講多次啊。
調色甜茶，見色見料啦。
好食嗎？呢道菜好食嗎？
好食。
耶。
好食嘅。
耶，慢慢食啊，睇時間慢慢食。
呢啲叉燒你啱啱淥嘅，啱啱出爐啦，出氣啊，嗱有啲氣
Look at
啦。
that. Fresh from the oven. Still got steam coming
啊
out.
黑毛豬嚟嘅呢啲，喺度冒住。
爸爸。
啊，龍骨湯呢個攞嚟冒住，見得龍骨湯係咩呀？我㗎，兩張就係呢啲。
Wow. This is £9.90 a kilo, my mum says. This is called fuga and it's so bitter. It's like bitter melon. Got this really bitter taste. 阿嫲嫲係我啊 Kirsty， 你好嗎？哦，多謝，好耐冇見啦，我哋而家食緊飯。
食飽啦，
得啦，食飽啦，係咯，
食飽啦。
So this is 阿嫲嫲 in Hong Kong。看那道香冇雞來，那
就係9飯，做32人，9飯，每人做10幾出啊，過錢咋人？
哇，食飽！哇，食飽！Dad's doing the washing up.
Yeah.
Dad, how much save one off?
Yeah. Out there do the belly pork for tomorrow roasting.
Oh.
Yeah, belly pork for tomorrow.
Oh, let's see what. What's going on here? What's going on? Wow! You go, girl. You do it. What does that actually do then?
Make the skin nice and crispy for tomorrow. Later on, you'll have to put some salt and vinegar on the top.
So salt and vinegar on the top.
Yeah.
So you need to do this technique so that it makes the skin a lot more crispier.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying, Dad?
或者要貴啲嘅。
Yeah, go for it. This is the technique for that crispy texture
Okay,
of the roast pork.
你睇下，媽咪睇一手，媽咪，要區嘅先。
Oh my god! The hands are red! You got some muscles!
一條冇喎。
Don't mess with them!
呢個好犀利啊！食嘢啊嚇。
Dad's turn! Go, Dad!
Yeah, basically it's like. Wow.
This is what Dad has to do for the perfect honey roast pork.
It took me about 30 minutes easy.
30 minutes to do
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
It's
just that.
hard work.
Very hard work. So I need about 3 people here.
So these are Dad's assistants to make the perfect honey roast pork.
Yeah.
The garden is like a big vegetable patch. 你哋冇雞菜嚟啊，Papa？
梅菜啊！入去，你拿兩件啊！你話可以攞啲pot嚟喎，你都攞下啲人我。
Yeah, 睇整一好多。
喺度菠菜哦。
So usually summertime, this is like a big vegetable patch. And these are all ready.
叫菜喺度菠菜咩？
Yeah.
識得啦，識得。
All homegrown,
咩？
organic.
開始種東西嘅，喺度平衡。
So look, you can see all that soil's ready for summertime to grow all the vegetables.
工作嚟都冷事嚟。
Yeah, Papa's saying if you grow anything now, it's just going to be too
見到
cold.
亞咗一條菜。
Papa 同camera 講啊，
同哪講？
同佢食。
拉打，拉講咩？
我冇嘅。
嗱，開始種菜咯，突然一天就開始咯。
係啊。
一啲麥雞講，即香港。
係當然啦，香種乜嘅菜啊？
種菜種挑劑種。
Oh, 挑劑. Oh, like green beans and like, you know, melons. Be so much better in the summertime. I'm like a translator here. Papa's very proud of her garden.
只條蝦黃啲菜，條拍菜吧。
How do you see all that, guys?
你個全部鉗少見係一條蝦菜咁嚟。
So it's all covered with this lid
呢啲冷啊
to keep like the plants warm. Otherwise it's gonna be too cold. So I bought Mum and Dad a present. My mum's favourite because it is Easter. Percy pig, Easter egg. It's like our annual tradition. Like every year I always buy like my parents' Easter eggs. And that's the one that I got for my mum. Percy pig's my mum's favourite. Dad, I bought you a present for Easter. Take it out, take it out.
Wow, that's nice.
It's an extremely chocolatey orange Easter egg.
Ooh.
Woo!
Happy Easter.
Yeah, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Got so much food to take back. Look at all this. That's my tonight's food sorted. 破嘴講啊！
每日海參啊，哦，熱海參最近那個銷售上去了，每日銷就銷了，2、3個半銷了。
Yeah, everyday happy. So I hope you all enjoy this video and all the Hakka Thai that Dad cooked and Papa cooked.
呢個嘢顯濃啊！公司睇啲冷貨別黑啦，着到絲黃棒棒都見啲啦。
Wow. Dad's giving a wave.
棒棒見啲啊，太時間啊嚇！
So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I always post new videos every week. And I want to say thank you to Papa, my mom and my dad and the rest of my whole family cooking all this delicious Hakka Thai. Thank you, Dad.
It's okay.
Best chef, my dad.
Alright, I'll see you next time.
Yes, I'll see you next time for a brand new video.
Okay.
Mwah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.